Holy shit. Ollie, we're in an airplane. We're in an airplane, bro. Good morning, guys. What's going on? Literally, there's water on the lens. Literally just had the craziest surf session ever. Like, massive, stormy, windy, cold, nuts.
Why is there a couch there? Look at my board. I can't hold this.
Dan and Josh brought the IRV out, which is crazy.
That is so good.
I'm gonna see Ollie, but I need to get food.
Oh yeah, we're gonna see Ollie as well. Are you getting food?
Let me a text when you are there, because I'm gonna go packing safe first.
Where are you going?
Probably packing safe.
Bro!
Caitlin?
Yeah.
We're off. Thank you for having us in your establishment.
That's all good.
Do I think Josh went out of his boogie wood, did he? I think so. We were surfing that crazy surf. It was boiling today, so I didn't bring warm clothes. I brought a singlet and some like little tiny shorts because it's hot. Gonna hit to pack and save, get a feed because I'm starving, and then we're gonna see what, go to Ollie's I think with Hosea and Danny. Yeah, we need to talk. I've got some news.
Yeah, what?
I'm bailing on this mission.
What mission? On the plane?
On the plane mission.
Why?
I'm too much of a pussy. I'm not hardcore enough. It's too sketchy for me. Oh, don't take my keys. I swear, no, I'll be back. I just need my keys. I don't have shoes.
Get in the car!
I'm insecure about my legs. They're small.
Let's go to the plane.
Let's go to the plane! Yeah! Oh my gosh. Whatever. Not chuffed at the moment. So I've been conned. Ollie and Co have conned me into breaking into an airplane and going into a mall wearing no shoes, a singlet, and no pants.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go hard, buddy.
It's just the world's slowest challenge. My tip.
Stop. Jose's got it. Hold on, buddy. Holy shit.
Did you stop just to film me getting in the...
I'm gonna go see a broken, abandoned plane because I've been conned into it, but that's alright, whatever. Is it barbed wire? Oh no, we got this in the bag. That's pretty cool.
Boy, he's in!
He's in it. Can you get in the plane?
Yeah.
Yeah, go in.
Today.
Go in. I'll go in.
You'll go in?
Yeah.
Where's his seats? How'd you get up, Danny? Over this side, bro?
Can you hold this, bro?
Yeah, bro. I climbed up this way and I had to grip onto this side. Sketchy. Are you filming? Is this filming, bro? Oh, it is.
Right, is it going?
This is pretty cool, eh?
This is nuts.
What's up to these things, eh?
We're on the inside of a plane. This is freaking sick. This is nuts, man. In the plane? There's a little, you know the thing holding the plane up, the red thing? Holy shit. So this is actually pretty damn cool.
This is pretty cool in here, AJ.
This is freaking sick.
You can go under here, see?
Oh, nah.
And I feel like that would be so gangster.
Into the undercarriage?
Yeah.
I'll try.
You'll try?
Can you record?
Yeah. Is it still recording, bro?
Yeah.
Jack's going in.
Is Jack getting out?
Jack's going in. Take this down. Jack,
Oh, shoot.
is it cool down there?
Nah, it's pretty average. This is freaking sketchy though, eh? Ollie, we're in an airplane. We're in an airplane, bro.
Who needs travel tickets when you've got jandals and bare feet?
We should write our own list.
Wait, boy, should we bail though?
Yeah. Alright. Toodaloo, Aeroplane.
Shirt's over 737 300. One of us to go down first and then you can find it. You just going for it.
That's nuts, man.
What, do you know? That was sick.
That was so sick.
We should so spend a night in there, eh?
What?
No! Hell no!
Yeah, this is so
I don't know
good.
where it is.
Dun, 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 dun.
Sorry.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah,
See you,
Live the
bro.
adventure, bro.
See ya.
Boom. See ya.
See you for there.
Catch you later, is that?
See ya.
Yeah, bro. So, I'm gonna end the vlog there. If you're not subscribed and you're new to this channel, love it if you subscribe. It's the button's down there, or it's there. I'm not sure. I'm kind of new to YouTube. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later.